What do you say? Must Shorty help you? Let go. Let go. Another amber.
I don't know, it could be a dogger. Yeah, dogger. Maybe, yeah, but...
Boss, set that thing and pull it in. You're on. Reel.
Hey, you're on, take it out. Ah, amber.
Ja, jy moet hom as hy lyn vat, moet jy hom lyn gee. Verstaan?
Jy het afgebreek hier. Ja, ek het
Sommige
getrek seker.
styf vashou.
Hy ding is bietjie fucking sterk. Nee. Shit.
Where's the gas thing?
En ek amper overboord. Ek sien hom. Hy's so far. Nog ver.
Ronnie, you're gonna give this light here a big trip, eh? Reeling all your fish in for you. Shorty's in a pound seat today. Already 2 fish landed for the client. Pick it up. Let me see what happened there.
Just a little one.
Okay, put it back. Put it back. Yeah, take it little one off. Put it new sardine on. Welcome to Big Fish Fishing. Hou jou stok die kant toe. Weg van Shorty af.
Why was he struggling? It's probably the angle of it.
Oh.
Did you catch yours?
No, it went off.
Who's this?
Big fish, hè?
No, I had it and I didn't give it slack and it just...
You have to give it slack. Like, what do you mean slack?
You gotta give it
No, you can feel whether the fish is too big, that it's going to break your line.
That's your juice. So what, you just let go of the reel?
With the gulp shotty.
Track back. Track back and keep control over it.
Can you see colour? No.
You get fish like this there in Ohio.
No.
No.
This is Africa, my friend. This is you can catch a whale as well. And a mermaid.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other night, the whale swam underneath the boat, took all our lines. Ass.
Bigger than the other one. Swimming in circles now.
You can see. So color. Got color there.
Amber.
Looks like an amber, yeah. Yeah, amber.
Oh.
Pick it up.